one shark. 100+ startups from across India. Bold ambitions and pitches. Disruptive innovations and infinite opportunities. Fueling innovation in India's vibrant startup ecosystem, Chandigarh University hosted Sandbox 2025 to celebrate the spirit of entrepreneurship on the momentous occasion of National Startup Day. In consonance with national leadership's vision of fostering a robust startup ecosystem for economic growth, innovation, and job creation, this landmark event saw the convergence of influential venture capitalists, founders of high-growth startups from diverse domains, budding entrepreneurs, and prominent academicians from across the country. Artificial intelligence, healthcare and life sciences, education, IT services, green technology, renewable energy, waste management, agriculture, food and beverages, textiles and apparel, and more. The day-long extravaganza featured an impressive exhibition of groundbreaking startups and gave a unique opportunity to students to make impactful pitch presentations to venture capitalists and engage in insightful discussions with top entrepreneurs.
When academic institutions like Chandigarh University host these kinds of startup events where they encourage students to come up with different ideas, innovative ideas, using technology and pitch in front of investors at a startup event, is always encouraging. Even if startups don't get funding, they get mentored, they get questions that are asked that are challenging from the investors, and I think it's a learning process. Sooner or later, these young entrepreneurs who started in an entrepreneurial journey with these kinds of events will get a platform, will learn from others, and obviously grow and become successful entrepreneurs.
So it's always a pleasure visiting here, seeing the energy of even the faculty members, the administration, students. Everybody's so excited about future, AI, entrepreneurship. We are celebrating National Startup Day here. The energy is contagious and people here are really looking forward to the future.
Chandigarh University has always been a sea of opportunities to all of us. It actually gives all the required needs and opportunities that a startup or any other idea needs to proliferate from this level. Chandigarh University, along with Chandigarh University Technical Business Incubator, has given me such an opportunity to bring my startup to this level up against many influencers such as Aman Gupta and today Anupam Mittal. From working from a small laptop to working digitally and making numerous artificial intelligence and taking my startup, bringing it to this level till I get some good funds that I can ask for numerous startups to other startups and many other opportunities in the outside world.
Chandigarh University has given me a great platform to find great people from a team for experimenting, and the most important thing is that it has given me an opportunity to actually build the idea that I wanted to build without a lot of restrictions.
The Chandigarh University have many of the business clubs, and they also have the business incubator, and the business incubator has very much helped me in building my idea and empowering me and making my innovation in the good hands.
The event paved the way for the mobilization of crores in funding, supported by top incubators, and laid a strong foundation for driving innovation and entrepreneurial growth nationwide. Chandigarh University, empowering India's thriving startup ecosystem.